Hello there, my name is Ndambuki, CCNA student. Just running to the end of the course. I'm just about to finish. I'm doing the last part of it. There's somebody by the name Krishna Sinha who has been so good to us. He's an online teacher, YouTuber. Krishna, the Subnetting guru. This guy has been so good to us. He has been so faithful. Everything we require of learning, he has been so there for us. I just want to say thank you. And if you know anybody, of course, if it's just yourself, you have a potential of learning and you have been dreaming of career of become a networking or the other courses of related to networking, ethical hackers, you can just tap to the YouTube and search the name, the Subnetting guru, or the YouTube name, the Forever Pathfinder. You can watch all the videos are there, well elaborated by the Subnetting guru Krishna. There is the assignment there. There is also the link, which there is also a link for the social medias like Telegram, WhatsApp. You can also tap to join our group. And also there is another link for the registration, of which is free. It's free. We are not paying anything. It's free. Welcome. And there's a group. There's a group of WhatsApp where we usually share our resources, learning resources. You will be so much welcome. If you have any difficulties, just go to the YouTube, search Subnetting guru Forever Pathfinder. You'll find all the videos, assignments from section 1 to where we are right now, and I will appreciate it. I will be so much happy about it. Thank you.